Consider that so.
Project feedback. You should be doing this course for yourself, not Joe, Nick.
It's a course that Kristen and do.
This here is what we tie onto this nail here when we're away to stop him from getting into the bedroom. Here he is. Here's the culprit. Oh yeah. Yeah, you like the attention, don't you? Yes, you do.
This is what happens to people you love. You're only still here because of how I felt about you.
Here he goes. Here he goes, up on the door. And then he's going to turn the handle and he'll push on the door to open it. Oh, I think my partner has locked it from the inside. My partner's in there. I'll have to go and check, I think. And in he goes.